Welcome to our Puerto Princesa trip, and here's our quick Day 1 itinerary and experience. So paglabas nga namin ng Puerto Princesa Airport, sobrang linis at fresh ng paligid. Nag-withdraw muna kami, nag-coffee saglit, then waited for a 7:30 a.m. van pickup. Madali lang maghanap ng breakfast dahil may cafe and convenience store outside. Yung tour agency na kinuha namin, super affordable, complete package na. Round trip, van transfer, tour guide, underground river tour, buffet lunch, at environmental fee. Wala na kaming nilabas na extra money. Nag-stop over muna kami sa isang cafe to chill habang may nagkakape, then 1 hour travel to the port. Pagdating doon, ang daming souvenirs at hats, syempre bumili kami kasi super init. Expect long waiting time talaga dahil daming turista, pero okay lang kasi patience is a virtue. So finally, sumakay na kami ng bangka papunta sa underground river. Medyo maalon pero sanay naman tayo as taga-Romblon. Life jackets on all the way. Pagbaba, konting walk to the entrance, may monkeys so bawal ang food and bottled drinks para hindi nila agawin. So before pumasok, bibigyan ka ng audio device explaining the history and facts about underground river. Pwede rin magpa-picture for only 220 pesos as souvenir. Sa loob, grabe, one of the 7 wonders of nature talaga for a reason. Rock formations, wildlife, 45 minutes of pure amazement. Naalala ko pa nung grade school ako, binabasa ko lang to, pero ngayon, na-experience ko na. So, thank you so much, Lord. After nga ng tour, nag-buffet lunch kami, then hinatid na kami pabalik. Since malayo ang Astoria from the route, so nagpababa na lang kami sa crossing at nag-van for only 50 pesos per head. Mas tipid. So, next reel, Astoria Palawan experience. Yun lamang, and thank you for watching.